All right, guys, I need some help deciding where to put my new CNC. So I'm gonna give you a real brief shop tour, and then you can help me decide what to do. So over here, we'll just start on this side. So this is the door. Over here, I have my panel, compressor, and this is just kind of like a little kind of storage area. So this, in my mind, is kind of off limits. Also, clearly not in front of the window. Over here is all of the Beck Tools inventory and shipping area. So this is all inventory, shipping. There's not enough room here. So overall, this is kind of how it goes. This is like the little work area where I got the 3D printer. This is like obsolete hardware from old prototypes, as well as all the parts from my CNC lathe build that I haven't finished yet. We've got 3D printer, workbenches, storage, some storage down there. Sorry, it's a real mess right now because I've been building the DMC2 Mini and all those parts are here and there and over there, and I don't have a spot. This is my CNC router that I need to make something elevated with wheels to put that on because I need to start using that. So over here we've got the wood heat. Now, yes, right now I'm wishing that I had put that right here because I can have things within 14 inches of the side because there's no heat. It actually sucks air in from the sides. So, but this is kind of wasted space. Actually, maybe I'll put my CNC router right here. Then, this is kind of wasted space right now. This lathe is 120 volts, so it can go anywhere in the shop, which is nice. I can move it. Drill press can go anywhere. This is on wheels. The cabinet, I just put that there because I wanted to hook it up and use it, but that can go anywhere. I'm totally willing to move the knee mill. My grinders, I got one there. That one needs a pedestal. Now all of my 220 volt plugs are along this wall. I've got one like every 8 feet. I got a 50 amp in that corner, 50 amp there, and I have a 50 amp there. I can make extension cords for the grinders, not worried. They don't pull that much amperage, so they don't have to be here. I can move all my belts. The TV can clearly move. The tapping arm, it's on wheels. It can go anywhere. The MR1, I didn't have time to make any type of fork tubes to move it. Also, I almost always film with this as my backdrop. Kind of like to keep that because I still plan to do a lot of MR1 content. I plan to use my new CNC to manufacture MR1 upgrades. The reason I can't do a lot of MR1 upgrades right now is because this machine is my workhorse. It can't be down. I can't take things apart and say, let's try this, let's try that. This has to stay up and running all the time. So when I get my new machine, that will not be the case. So I will be able to test out manufactured upgrades, and this, I can take it apart and do whatever, and I'll still have something to do day in day work. So I do kind of want to keep this here because that's kind of like the focal point. This is actually my primary workbench right here in the middle of the shop. This is where my laptop is, where I do my builds. I shoot a lot of my videos right here in the center. Then this corner over here, this is all the fabrication area. So I've got the Crossfire Pro. I've got the shop press with the prototype product that I never released. Maybe I will. If you guys need something like this in the future, maybe with my new CNC, I will start manufacturing those. I built it for me. It's amazing, epic. But anyways, back to the video. I got distracted, man, squirrels. So this is my fabrication area. Welding table, welders, plasma cutters. This area is kind of a mess. I've never really organized it since I moved in. This is like the overflow where everything I don't know where to put goes over here. So, but this is kind of the dirty area. I mean, I'm cutting metal. I've got shavings, chips. You know, that thing makes a huge mess. So I don't want anything close to that with electronics. So yeah, this is my fabrication dirty, dusty area. I should probably move the grinders over here, not over there. And then we go to my metal scrap table. This is just scrap metal. It's all my knife steel here on the end. And then I've got some steel storage there. We got the laser, and then of course my kids' random stuff. And then trash that has to get thrown away. So, what do you think? If you're looking at this right here, is what I'm thinking. Is I'm thinking about putting the new CNC right here. And then maybe turning that around the corner on that wall, moving the lathe, blasting cabinet, drill press somewhere else. I have enough conduit. I'm gonna put my rotary phase converter right here. And I'm gonna go up with the power, over, around the corner right there. And then I plan to put my new CNC right there. But I think to do that, I'll have to move my tapping arm, which I could probably put my tapping arm on that side of the CNC and maybe put my toolbox in between the two CNCs because it's kind of narrow. So maybe toolbox, no. Toolbox has to stay there because I use this drawer right here. That's got everything that I use for this right there. It needs to be at arm's reach because I use this and this cart. And then when I'm done machining stuff, I go right over here. So I could put this like right here and make kind of like a circular cell. And then here I could put the lathe. And then here I could put the blasting cabinet drill press. But then I need to get like some type of a reel to bring power and air down from the ceiling because I do not like this where I'm constantly stepping over a cord. And if I'm gonna have to bring in power and air to like this area here, I want it to drop down from the ceiling, which is not a problem because every single light has an outlet above it. So there's an outlet, can't have wires there, outlet. So I got power, I could run power over and then drop it down. I don't know. I've been literally racking my brain ever since I agreed to buy this thing last Friday, where to put it. Originally, I was going to put it right here. I was going to move this, lathe, everything, and put it right here, which would work. That would totally work. And then I think I might just scoot that over. That was the plan most of the time, but that's not going to be like, that's like usually when I shoot videos. Well, it doesn't matter really. I can put the camera anywhere. I've got a tripod. So these are my two options. I put it right here. This stuff goes, I don't know, somewhere. Or I put it right here. Actually, I could probably put it right here and I don't even have to move that. I think it would fit pretty good right there. It's a pretty small machine. So, I don't know. This is kind of nice. I would just have to move the tapping arm, the grinder, the belts, and the TV. And I could put grinders over there, tapping arm. It used to be over here. I could move it right here. So, I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. I need suggestions.